Aungamii wa Walanyo Mweu wa Uiiti wa SHA Niwalasimika Kwitikila Kukunwa Musomo Muvyu Nzama ya Mbunge ya Uiiti Nthini wa Kikalo Kila Usuite Muutia Munene Kukon'ya Mauvaluku na Uthukumi wa Kivindu wa Kinandu Kyeu cha Uiiti. Utongoi wa SHA utongoi ni ofisa Munene ulokwati Robert Ngasira vamwe na utongoi wa Muvyu wa Uiiti utongoi ni mwandiki Munene Muvyu ni munini wa Uiiti Hari Kimtai Mbee na Ivinda Yumu kuelezea itumi cia mitumire mithuku ya ilovia thini wa SHA kuiva mathie matene ma NHIF vala Mbunge ya telemia kuvata SHA budget ethiwa vayingwa moloto mutheu wa Uthukumi Kinandu niki beni mwaka ni wavika Mbungeni na kusia ki na tumbanesia elevote.
Ofisa hano na Aungamii Walanyo wa serikali wa Uiiti wa SHA ilevatisi utaifa kea ni makuna Musomo Munene ni ayumbe kwa Mauvaluku nthela maeneo kuswa nthini wa Walanyo wa Uiiti na kutia ene thingi mathinani manene la meumantha kukwata Uiiti metula muti kwa kulea kunenga ene nthi uelesyo mutheu na mweanu yulu wa vaita na wailu wa SHA.
It is the
Can you read confidently? Because you know, and this is the main problem. We want you to communicate to the public, and you should be able to communicate with confidence.
You staff at SHA, led by the chairman and the CEO, and even some, you have left us the work of communicating SHA when it should be your primary mandate to communicate. We are now all over trying to communicate for you, and we are not paid to communicate like you are paid, Mr. CEO, to communicate with SHA.
We cannot take public money to do market survey like you have properly put it in regards to the cost of a service, and then we just conveniently put it somewhere and lie about the figure just like you have put it here. I want to encourage the ministry to be very honest about it. Put it out there as bad as it is or as good as it is. I think that serves us better other than lying, and then it comes out as this pathetic. It's really discouraging, and you know the facts.
Nzama ni avine ya maofisa akona ni nthuku kwenye mauneni na mawatho ma serikali kana Uiiti ungwa SHA uya ileitha na ndivyo na imwe wala Uungamii wa SHA waweta nthini wasyo mwelesukite nunenga na listi na utheu yulu wa masivitali o nthela methitwe mathi itene nthi vatendivi ungwa Walanyo no.
Are there hospitals in this country, whether government or private or mission, where you can walk in and walk out without paying? Because today that is what we are suffering from. That everywhere we have complaints, we can never be able to present one facility where we are saying SHA is operating seamlessly, even on only this one treatment or this one area of specialization.
Okay. Chair, now that we have generated some data over the last 4 months, I think by end of this month we should be having that list very comprehensive.
End of this month? That means giving you 2 weeks to work on it.
Ayumbe mena maukulyo yulwaniki katua NMV milioni 18 hala maandikithitwe nthini wa SHA no milioni 4 oka hala methitwe maiva ndivisio cia kila mwai Kinandu ni kino.
People who are employed are the ones who are contributing. What of those who are not employed? The informal sector. How are they contributing to SHA? How does the means testing assist them so that they are able to make those payments?
The activation of new registrations under Social Health Authority is immediate once a member has registered and or made payments. There is no waiting period for accessing services at SHA contracted health facilities.
Ingi vena makulyo maito yulu ametumile mithuku ya budget ile nenganito kwa ili Uthukumi wa Kinandu ki vala Nzama ya telemia kuvetanga budget ya Muutia yani supplementary budget ila Muvyu wa Uiiti wetitie yelekelwe kwa SHA.
I'm not too happy with how you try to demonstrate like it is okay, everything is going on well. Genuinely, SHA is frustrating patients that want to seek medical care beyond our borders.
My request is that moving forward, SHA, SHIF and the Primary Healthcare Fund must stop becoming just a cash cow for dispensing money, sending money to facilities and providers without ensuring that the service has been provided.
Parliament has put 4 billion. What you've spent is 375 million up to now. Parliament has put 2 billion. What you've spent is 21 million, meaning the money is enough. People should, the hospitals should continue claiming their money, and people continue being offered services. These are things that I think needs to come out very clearly, so that we don't need to have debate, people debating that that there is only 2 billion, when the 2 billion is not been exhausted. Even in the supplementary will not give you more money, because I heard in your comment saying that maybe in supplementary you need to add us. If you can't spend this, then why do you need more money?
Vilingwa Mauvaluku kumavamu sieni lovi nye nito Benjamin na Mwakam.